What is up, guys? It is John. I'm back with another adventure, and yes, I am back. Some of you know this is a doll mansion. This is actually a home of a governor back in the 1800s, guys. We were here in Virginia. This is a huge mansion that's built pre-Civil War. It was built in 1850. It was huge for the time. May not be as huge as some mansions now, but it was massive for its time. And I also got Tim from Breaking the Shell.
Shell, yeah, guys.
He is here with me, guys. We're going to explore this place. It's been a while since I've seen it in daylight. It looks like it's fallen disrepair, and man, these vines have really overgrown it. So we're going to go in here and check this out, guys. Follow me. Just look how overtaken this is. You can barely even tell there's a house here. It is just so overgrown. This place will be gone. This reminds me of like the old Jungle Book movies when they would find the old temples and stuff in the jungle.
Yes.
And they'd be overtaken by the vines and stuff.
The tiniest part of it.
Yeah, you can barely see any of it now. Man, this is gonna be fun. That ain't good. Yeah. Well, at least the porch is all brick. Don't have to worry about falling through other than this. How's the floor still in there?
It's just that roof.
Oh, look, laying right there.
I know. Staircase.
Oh, this is it, guys. It's been a while since we've been in here. More graffiti, it looks like. Look how tall the ceilings are. 12 plus feet. Floors are unstable. I mean, they're solid, but they just kind of shift a little bit under your feet. I just love the design of this, the layout. Wish this house could be saved. It's falling more and more in disrepair, though, since the last time I was here. There's that beautiful staircase going up. We got a chair sitting right there. It's like a little kid's.
Like a timeout chair.
Yeah. That was that brick, remember?
A foil covered brick.
Don't you remember when one of us opened the door and it fell down? It was a booby trap set up for us. That was, I can't remember which one time that was when we was here, but that was pretty scary. Guys, this house was built pre-Civil War, but more modern amenities had been added over time, like the radiant heaters and plumbing. You see electricity was ran over the baseboard. Another piano. Creepy sound. I mean, the bones still seem pretty good here. Like the floors aren't rotting through. The porch is about to rot off, but we built back on it. Some flooring has been replaced here. There's another animal outside. A closet there. Look at these old curtains. Little tassel, little balls on them. What's this? It's a penny. I always lift up on these mantles because I've learned recently in the Victorian era they love to build hiding places. And one of the biggest places they used, which it's gone now, was like the corner posts that were on the staircases. They would hide stuff in them. And this was a window that was here. I believe it probably used to be a door a long, long time ago. Actually, it was a door at some point because you can see the hinges. Then they just made it into a window, but somebody's busted it out. This room is definitely fallen in more disrepair than the last time I was in here. This textured wallpaper has like a velvety feel to it. Now, if you know exactly what kind of material that is, let me know, but it's like felt or velvet. Had to be very, so look at my hand. Had to be very expensive back in the day. There's that built-in closet. This was always very intriguing here to me. It's this mystery staircase that led to nothing. You can see the floor up there. It's not even a trap floor. We've tried it before. It's just weird. Very, very strange. I believe it used to be a staircase that went upstairs like a servant's. It would have been a servant's staircase, most likely. And this was a door. Huh. You can tell that used to be a door and they walled it in. Maybe a hidden door? Curious. Check out that old school Honeywell thermostat. Okay, I have a mystery. So I'm looking at this. Have you showed them the stairs to nowhere?
No.
These stairs just lead to a floor. But look at this.
There was a door there.
Yes, now, roughly measuring from here and going around to the next room, I believe there's another room hidden here. I could be wrong.
You could be right, though.
But I could be right.
In these old houses, that makes sense. This is like
there's a
for Narnia.
There's a wall here with drywall, but they put plaster over it. You see the plaster seeping through? So they've hidden some. This would have been a servant staircase.
Yeah.
To lead to their servants' quarters upstairs, because this was built pre-Civil War. And I'm guessing they just floored it in. I'll let you take a look up there and show your video. Okay, so you see where he's at. If I walk out here and go to roughly about here, that's about where that is. So let's go into this room. Yeah, I think it's this wall. Now that I'm looking at it, and it would have been so exciting. I believe it's probably this wall. I don't know. It just don't seem.
No, it seems about right. Maybe another closet like this one.
Yeah, that might be what it was. But regardless, it's neat. Out back here, this place is just engulfed in vines. I skipped walking through that little area because the floors are look to be in pretty bad shape. Similar, ow, to this floor. I'll look back in there. Oh yeah, this floor is about to fall through. That's the kitchen area. Okay, the floor started to give away, so I'll let Tim's little skinny butt go in there. Does the stairs seem okay?
Yeah, all except for one where it curves up here,
Uh-huh.
which I think this might be the curve itself. The floor is still pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah, it's always held me before. wigging out. Okay, that was panicky.
This is where the service stairs would come up right there.
Yeah, you can see it in that room, can't you? Little toy truck laying right there. Nice breeze blowing through. Got a medicine cabinet here. Oh, that's creepy, a lady's shoe. Oh man, that'd have been cool. Animated dinosaur. This used to be full of toys. Well, that's creepy. It's a little squirrel. Yeah. It's a cute little squirrel. Neopets. Cool. Closet full of drawers. There's the old fireplace cover right there. Smelling like Pokemon. There's a Pokemon book there. Pokemon book in there. And there's the old balcony right there. Does not look very structurally sound. It is collapsing as we speak. My light on in here. Do what? Do what, Tim? Oh yeah, here in a minute. I don't like those sounds. Yeah, this is where I think the servant. Yeah, you can tell. That's where the servant staircase went down. It's loose floorboard. Kind of nerve-wracking. It is blue sink. That's cool. Dirty turlet. Blue tub. See the vines growing in here. Mother Nature has reclaimed this house. For sure. Alright. I think we're done up here in the upstairs section. Gotta do this treacherous walk back down. I don't know why, but these stairs wig me out. Big time. Just steadily go down. I think we're home free. I don't know why, man, but those stairs really weirded me out.
Yeah, especially on the curve.
Yeah, because it feels
weird, but it's not moving.
Yeah, thank goodness.
Nope, I'm good.
Look at there. These dolls, man.
It is so creepy.
It's crazy they're still here. That old horse painting. Thing is old.
Is that a design on the back side of the fireplace? Backside. Going down. The elevator.
I'm clearing the spider webs out for you too. It's a little.
The elevator. He's going down the stairs.
I appreciate you cleaning the spider webs out for me.
Anytime, bro. You coming?
Yep.
Oh yeah, you're there. Oh, look. There's a doll laying face down. Oh man. Remember the doll hanging in here somewhere? I can't remember where it was. I think it was that one was just hanging by its neck. Little puppy dog. You see where they've like modernized over the years.
It's a weird little access into the. Like they broke through the wall to find a crawl space under there.
Huh.
Yeah, it opens up in there.
Probably as they were running new pipes and different things.
That's crazy.
Oh, that creepy chair. That's an old chair too.
I feel dirty.
There's a. Oh yeah, there's still like tons of satellite receivers in here. Old DirecTV satellite receivers. Yeah, it definitely makes you feel dirty in here.
You look at that old chair and you expect to see some old woman sitting in it,
Yeah.
just cackling away.
Ew, something touched my hair.
I've not heard any strange paranormal sounds in here this time.
No, none at all.
It's weird because every time I've been here, it's been weird stuff happen. All right, we're back up. There's a cool little tassel hanging there. These are all really big windows. All right. Tim doesn't know the purpose of these humongous windows.
I know to get a good airflow in here.
That's pretty much it. Because when this house is built,
The door here above this front door.
yeah.
Looked like it should open up to a balcony, but it's just for airflow.
Yeah, well, it used to be a balcony up there. You can tell by the design it's fallen through. But yeah, they would open all these windows and it would allow the airflow through the house in the summer. Because they didn't have air conditioning pre-Civil War. This house is built in the 1850s. And it's mostly original.
I got stupid fingers. All stupid fingers.
Look at the design on this piano. Lift the top up. You can see back in there. It's pretty cool. There you have it, guys. The governor's mansion. Some of you better know it as the doll mansion. This place is creepy, even in the daylight. It's sad seeing it starting to really fall apart. The bones are still good, but the porch is falling in. This place is probably not going to be very accessible very long. But huge shout out to Tim.
What's going on, guys?
And go check his channel out, watch his video. He actually, a big shout out to him for taking my camera into the kitchen area. I was getting really sketchy on the floors. But thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel. And if you want to further support this channel, guys, I do sell t-shirts, hats, hoodies, and all that good stuff in my Spreadshirt, which is linked down below. I also have a Patreon where I send you cool stuff, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time. Y'all have a good one.